Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today I am part of the Not Too Shabby Shop Box of the Month Hop for the month of September, and we are going to be using this. This is an awesome kit with all of the fun goodies for you to be able to make tons of cards. All of them basically fall theme, although we do have some bright pink in there, and I'm loving that. I think what I want to do for my first card using this, because come on, the ephemera is just awesome. So I'm going to make a couple of cards using that. And I do want to use the ephemera pack this time. And first thing I see when I open this one up is this page. Just love it. So that's got to be used on my very first card. And I think I may be able to get 2 cards out of this one. I do make A2 size. So I'm going to cut this panel down to 3 inches. So I've got 2 3-inch panels there. So this is going to be a real simple design because you know what? They did all the work for you. I'm going to add this half a panel of patterned paper that is just so pretty to a piece of craft cardstock, kind of off to the side, off center, and I can trim off the excess. And then I'm going to just add these guys to the front using some foam. Got my Scotch 3M foam tape, put on the back of my little pie here. And I'll put that kind of about there because I've got another image that I'm going to use as well. That's going to be mostly my sentiment, but it's also a cute little mug of, I'm not sure what that one is. Kind of looks like a specialty coffee. So now I'm going to add some foam to the back of this one. However, on this one, I'm going to make sure that it's off to the side so that this can overlap a little bit. Let's see how that does. So I think that will be a good spot. I do want to put a little bit behind the cinnamon up at the top. So cut off a little piece of foam for that. And then I'll add a little bit of glue to the back, to the rest of the back and to the foam, just to make sure I've got a little bit of wiggle room, so that I can add this without having to worry about it being in the wrong spot. And that card is, it's done. That also means that because we have got some really cute images in our stamp sets, you can basically duplicate that. We've got the coffee mug there, we've got a pie. You could do the same thing, even if you're out of the ephemera, by using your stamps. So I'm going to do another one, basically the same. I think this time I'm going to put the panel to the other side and pick another couple of images to use as my focal points. It just basically means this is a good, you could make a couple of little card sets with these ephemera pieces. Okay, cut off the excess. And this time I think I want to use, got another orange mug, but I've also got this pink one that is for Thanksgiving Day. And then I've got some pumpkins, and I've got this other pink one. I think what I'm going to do, I want to do the pie. I like that pie. And the pie works awesome for Thanksgiving. So I'm going to put these 2 guys on there. So it's basically the same design, just a little bit different. Put some foam on the back of my pie. Okay, I think I'll put that one up a little bit higher than I did on the other. And then we'll use this one, have it down a little bit down into the corner. And again, I'm going to put some foam on the back of that. Okay, just add some foam about there.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring.
And then add a little
So I'll never leave.
liquid glue to the back. So I've got a little wiggle room when I'm placing my drink. And there we go. We've got a couple of really cool, quick and simple, easy breezy cards made using the Not Too Shabby Shop ephemera and paper pack from the card kit of the month. Like I said, these are just so cute, and you can make a ton more cards with these. So you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy the rest of the hop, and I will talk to you soon. Bye guys.